Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit something different. So just got some stuff in the mail, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I haven't seen it yet. Well, I've seen this, but I haven't really taken a good look at it. So I thought it'd be fun, just kind of going through it, and maybe you guys can see it for the first time too. So I actually already opened one of these boxes because I didn't actually know what it was, but I got some SPC camber bolts. So these should be good. Should give like another degree or two camber, which I kind of need because I do have a little bit of rubbing, and it'll be good for the track use and stuff. So that's pretty good. You can get these on Amazon for pretty cheap. I think they're about 18 bucks, and they're much cheaper than like the white line camber bolts that are offered. And as far as I can tell, they're pretty much the same. So hope you guys can get a decent look at that. There. So let's put that to the side. Not really a whole bunch to explain there, but this is pretty cool. So this you might know by the title of the video, but what this is the new LED lights for the Veloster N. I believe on the 2021s it comes standard, the interior lights. You know, you have the little dome light and the light in the front. But on the older ones, the 19 and the 20, you have the regular, I believe they're just incandescent bulbs. So they're kind of dim. These should be a pretty bright white light. And another thing is that they're actually designed a little bit differently than the original ones. They got just a different look to them. So even if you just replace your old ones with LED bulbs, it probably won't look the same. So without further ado, start cutting this open. This is pretty cool. It is directly from Korea. You see on the box here, Hyundai Kia genuine part. A lot of bubble wrap. Oh, more tape. And as far as I can tell, I think there's like a few boxes in here. It looks like there's some separate components. Maybe it's just one box. Get it out here. Yes, this is wrapped up pretty good. Hopefully this will make it easier. Actually, I think there is two. Check this out. Don't know what that is for. Lamp assembly room. A little weird name, but sure. We got a box. All in Korean. More Korean. Yeah, more Korean. This is the part number. I don't know if that really help you, but part number there. Let's open this up. Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah, so I think this is the main one, and that's probably like the little light in the back, the dome light. So yeah, just unveil this. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, so I think basically sits kind of like this, and hopefully you could see pretty well without the glare or anything. These are different. Yeah, they're different than the 19 and 20. They have a slightly different design, kind of like that cone going up, which is pretty cool. I like it. And then the rest should be the same. I'm looking at this. It kind of looks like a speaker over here. I don't know if that's on the other one. I haven't really paid attention. It looks like there's some kind of connection, but I'm not really too sure. Interesting. So that's the front one, at least. We'll be putting those on shortly. I'm guessing this is for the back. And it should be in the same style pretty much, as far as I'm aware. yeah. So you see it has that kind of, I don't know how to describe it, more like a tunnel or cone, I guess is the best way to say, coming out. Um, this looks gray here, like the little button. I think on mine it's black. That's something I don't know if they changed that for the new ones. It's a little odd, because you see this is black and this is gray. So that's something I gotta take a look at. Maybe I got the wrong part, I actually don't know. But yeah, these are the two lights. This I'm gonna check on because this is gray, I'm a little confused. But that's basically how they should look. I like them a lot, and we'll see how they work in the car, and go from there. But yeah, I'm not sure if you're gonna put the install in this video or not, but if it's not, I'll link to the install video and how it looks in the car. Thanks for watching, guys.